The biggest problems that clients share with me: I don't feel confident when I speak English, I don't have enough vocabulary, and I'm not fluent enough. Now, what's wrong with these sentences? We'll see in this episode. Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, step-by-step English lessons to help you learn faster, feel more confident, and reach your full potential. And today, like every week, I'll help you move one step closer to reaching your goals in business English. Actually, before we get into today's topic, I want to try something new to help you to better learn vocabulary with my videos. At the start of each video, I'll teach you a few chunks or expressions. We'll put them on the screen for you so you can write the expression and the definition. And then you'll hear the expression somewhere in the video. And when you hear it, you can write the sentence that I say to have the expression in context. So get your pen and your notebook and let's go. The first expression is to chill out. To chill out. And this means to relax by doing an activity that's just calm and relaxing. The second expression is it blows my mind. It blows my mind. It means I'm extremely impressed, surprised, or amazed by something. All right, let's get into our topic. So, I don't feel confident when I speak English. I don't have enough vocabulary, and I'm not fluent enough when I speak English. What do you notice about these sentences? They're all negative. And I can tell you from my 15 years of teaching business English that these feelings are very, very common for learners. So if you feel this way, why is that? And a hint, it doesn't have a lot to do with your level. No, here's something that I learned in my training as a neurolanguage coach. Your brain, it likes to be lazy. It likes to react just automatically when possible without thinking too much. And this includes how you feel when you speak English. Nervous, shy, or not confident. Now, why is this? Let's go back in time. A lot of clients tell me about their bad English classes at school. Well, for most of us, that was a long time ago. So, how can your English classes from 30 or 40 years ago affect the emotions that you feel today when you have to speak English, especially in professional situations? If you felt negatively about your English classes when you were a kid, your brain began to say to itself, English, bad feelings. So that became your brain's automatic reaction. And because your brain likes to react automatically, it has had many years to practice this association, English, bad feelings. And maybe you like learning English now, especially when you chill out watching The Crown on Netflix. But when you have to perform in English, those old automatic feelings return. Now, what do I mean by perform in English? For example, when you have to do a conf call with Americans and you feel nervous, or you're gonna present a product to some new clients and you feel uncomfortable. These are all high stakes situations where you have to perform. It's a little like back in school. And both at school and at work, you want to do well. So the environment is different between school and work, but the emotions that you feel are similar. So even if you had bad experiences learning English in school 30 years ago, your brain still automatically associates negative emotions with speaking English when you have to perform. And those old feelings have been programmed into your brain for many years. It's the automatic emotion that your brain defaults to. And as a result, you feel nervous, you lose confidence, and you don't speak as fluently as you want. It's crazy, right? I mean, this stuff blows my mind. But don't worry, because there's good news. You can actually reprogram your brain to feel confident and fluent when you speak English and stop those automatic negative emotions. And you don't even have to improve your level that much, really. How is that possible? That will be a topic for a future video. But if you want to start feeling more confident and more comfortable and more fluent speaking English, join my Faster Fluency Conversation Club. Each week, you'll have up to 5 hours of live conversation practice for more fluency and more confidence, and you'll get lots of resources to help you. A podcast in English, the transcript, vocabulary cards, grammar exercise, pronunciation exercise to help you speak better, and notes from your teacher after the conversation session. So to get all of this and to support my work at Speak English with Christina, become a member of the Faster Fluency Conversation Club. And the link to join is below the video. And now you're one step closer to feeling more confident speaking business English. And if you want to take a few more steps with me, then I've created a playlist for you about how to improve your English faster. It has episodes to help you stop translating in your head, to learn advanced vocabulary, and to have more confidence when you speak. So click here to continue learning with me, and I'll see you in the next episode.